Hi Max,
I can.
I want to share with you a great news that we have closed CAMWorks recently.
Oh, great.
So I want to take this opportunity to summarize the 3 key benefits about why customers choose CAMWorks finally to improve their CAM programming process.
There are a few of the benefits from the CAMWorks. So the first one is the feature recognition. Usually when we receive the model from the customer or designer that they want to create, we need to go through the model and check which feature is machinable.
So how does CAMWorks able to cut short this process?
CAMWorks able to cut short this process by using this feature recognition to detect all the machinable features. With this feature, I know where is the pocket, slot, corner slot, and also the hole. This can significantly save programming process, especially when dealing with simple geometry. For more complex geometry, we can use the all display setting in 3-axis feature. This setting will automatically create the toolpath according to any geometry detected. The best part is, when there is any changes, all the toolpath will be outdated as well.
Wow, I think with feature recognition, it's really able to cut short our customers' programmers' time and they have more time to do productivity job.
Other than that, CAMWorks is a library-based CAM software, meaning you are able to save your CAM programming strategy into the database. You can just simply choose the most suitable strategy to handle a specific feature. For example, when you want to machine a pocket, you want to create a roughing process first, then use a smaller tool for rest rough, and finally a finishing process. All of this can be saved as a strategy and you can assign this strategy as your default setting. This is useful when there is a new programmer going to join your company. All the strategy and knowledge is readily available in the library so they can learn and pick up quickly. Moreover, CAMWorks provides a high-speed machining strategy as well. It can maximize your tool life and also will improve cycle time. Voluming is the strategy developed by CAMWorks to use side cutting method to utilize full length of your tool and most optimal tool path to do the roughing of your model to quickly and efficiently remove as much material as possible from the raw material.
Alright, Max, thanks for your sharing. I think to conclude that, CAMWorks is the automatic features recognitions, come with library base, and also come with the advanced technology of high-speed machinings CAM software to assist our customers to improve their CAM programming process.